Hi, Vinod Kumar here. In this video, we are going to learn problems on time and work, and particularly on alternate days we are going to learn. Let us move on to the problems. A and B can do a work in 10 days, 15 days respectively. If they work at it on alternate days with A beginning, in how many days the work will be com- completed? See, for any kind of work we have to find total work first. What is the total work? LCM of 10 comma 15. So what is the LCM of 10 comma 15? That is 30. So total work is 30 units. So let us see. A can do 30 units of work in 10 days. So A can complete 3 units per day. B can complete 30 units of work in 15 days. So B can complete 2 units per day. Here they are working in alternate days. Like if first with beginning A. So what does it mean? On first day A is working and on second day B will work. Third day A, fourth day B. So here we can generalize one thing. On odd day A is working, on even day B is working. Right? You have to keep it in our mind, this point also. This is very useful to calculate the calculation. Okay. So okay. In 2 days they can complete 5 units. So 5 units for 2 days. So total work is 30 units. First, before going to calculation, you have to observe the relation between total work, that is 30 units, and 2 days work and 5 units. Is there any relation between 5 and 30? Exact relation. Yes. 5, 6 are 30. So you can do the calculation. You can directly do the calculation. Like you write the number which is exactly above the question mark and apply your common sense. 5 in 2 days 5 units they can do. If they want to do 30 units, more than 2 days or less than 2 days will require? Definitely more than. So more is our answer. So which is more in 5 and 30? 30. 30 by 5. So upon cancellation 12 days will come. For more clarification and better understanding, we will go through another example. P and Q working separately can do a piece of work in 6 days and 11 days. If they work alternately beginning with P, then the work will be completed in how many days? This is the question. For any kind of problem, first step is total work. So LCM of 6 comma 11 is 66 units. So first we have to find per day work. P can do 66 units of work in 6 days. So in one day P can complete 11 units. Q also can complete 66 units in 11 days. So per day Q can complete 6 units. So for 2 days they can complete 17 units. So for 2 days 17 units. What is the total work? 66 units. Just observe the relation between 17 and 66. Is there any relation between 2 days work and total work? No. So uh, we have to adapt another method for calculation. What is that one? So there is no relation between, exact relation between them. So we have to take 17 ones are 17, 17 twos are 34, 17 threes are 51, 17 fours are 68. So we have to take the multiples of 2 days work. If you take 68 number, it is more than the total work. So you cannot take the 68. So you have to take 51. So first you take 51 and calculate in how many days 51 units will be completed. See, for 17 units 2 days required. For 51 units, how many days will be required? 2 into 51 by 17. Definitely it is 6 days. So 51 units we have calculated for 51 units. Remaining how many units are there? 15 units are there. So will be done separately. How? In 6 days 51 units can be completed, but on the 7th day who will work? I have told on odd day P will work. So 7 is a odd number. On odd day P will work. What is the P's 1 day work? 11 units. So on 7th day P has completed 11 units. So 15 minus 11, 4 units will be there. These 4 units should be done by Q on the next day. Okay, what is the Q capacity? Q can do 6 units per day, but we will need just for 4 units only. If for 6 units 1 day required, for 4 units how many days required? Definitely you can confuse with this calculation. Let me explain. So you just write the number which is above question mark, that is 1, and put a multiplication mark, right? And write 1 divided by, and leave empty numerator and denominator. Then we apply our common sense. For 6 units 1 day is sufficient. For 4 units more than 1 day sufficient or less than 1 day sufficient? Definitely less than 1 day sufficient. No? So less is our answer. So among 6 comma 4, which is less and which is great? Less is 4. So you have to write in the numerator part as 4 and denominator part as 6. Upon cancellation, 2/3 day. So it is below 1 day. So total 51 units in 60 days and 11 units in 1 day and 4 units in 2/3 of the day. So 7 2/3 day is our answer. These type of problems are oftenly appear in competitive exams like IBPS and SBI and whatever exam you take. So you go through this video 2-3 times and you understand, your understanding capacity will be more. So thank you for watching this video.